Well, here I am, again, this time with my guitar. Woohoo! I doubt it is even in tune. I tried, but I suck. So, I've got a friend who's gonna try to help me, and I think I've almost got a couple of the chords down. Okay, so I'm gonna try to start making a video at least every other day, cause it's fun. And each day I'm gonna do a joke. So, when does money, no, when does it rain money? That is the joke, or the question, and I will tell you the answer on the next video. By the way, it is from Laffy Taffy. Yay! Quit not being my lover. Quit not being my lover. Yeah! Schwa! There's a cat in my lap, taking a nap. See? Aww, isn't she so cute? Lily. You're being ignored by a cat whose name is Lily, and she's oh so silly. Monkey child! Ah! So cute. With a green nose. Boop. Okay, it's 12 in the morning. I'm going to bed. Yay! Good night.